Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl, Star Flames, and we're back, baby, with another banging video, honey. So, if you're new or returning and you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and thanks so much in advance. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about Judge Arun Subramanian denying Sean Diddy request over alleged government leaks. Let's talk about it because, as you guys can remember, it was last year, I believe April, that CNN had released that viral footage of Diddy putting hands and feet on his then girlfriend, Cassie Ventura. It went viral. He issued a fake ass apology, which he faced a major backlash for. Following that, he deleted his entire Instagram history as though he's saying, you know what? I'm mad at myself for doing that. Now, Sean Diddy Combs was then arrested in September. However, please note, he wasn't arrested for the viral beatdown video, because when the video was released and the police department was asked, why isn't it that you're not arresting Diddy? They're saying what they said is because the incident took place in 2016. It's too far out for them to, press any charges against him. However, Sean Diddy Combs was later arrested in September for human trafficking, ex-trafficking, and racketeering. Now, following his arrest, Sean Diddy Combs filed a motion in court for a evidentiary hearing against the government because he is accusing the government of going on a smear campaign, for 7 months. So basically, his legal team, alleged that the Department of Homeland Security leaked the video to tarnish his reputation based on the filing that he did in October of 2024. Now, he said that the Department of Homeland Security, they had initiated a 7-month smear campaign aimed at undermining his right to a fair trial through the leaking of the confidential material. He's talking about that viral beatdown at the Intercontinental Hotel. He's calling that confidential material. Do you see how powerful this guy thinks he still is? And he's definitely not getting it. However, he's saying that the leaks have resulted in damaging and highly prejudicial media coverage. He's saying this is sensationalizing the investigation and the involvement of his family. That's what his legal team is arguing. However, the prosecutors, they have clapped back against those allegations, and they said that they did not possess the video prior to its publication by CNN, and in a letter from the prosecutor indicated at the time of the CNN publication, the government did not possess any video of the March 2016 incident. The court reiterated the seriousness of the claims that Diddy's legal team is making and reminding the government and its agent of the legal consequences they may face if evidence of leaks surfaced. So basically, the court is just letting the prosecutors know, listen, you guys need to understand that if such a thing, did actually happen, it would have serious legal consequences if there's any such evidence. However, Judge Arun Subramanian is saying the allegations that Sean Diddy Combs and his legal team the allegations that Sean Diddy Combs and his legal team is putting forward, it's not factual. Subramanian is emphasizing the primacy of the of the evidence presented at trial over media narratives. He's saying the court reminds the public whether the government can prove Combs guilty will turn on the evidence presented at trial, not trial by newspaper. The statement highlights the tension between, how media coverage is perceived as to be damaging towards his case and the actual reality of the legal proceedings. So what Judge Arun Subramanian is saying, you know what? If someone did actually release this information, and if that person is from the prosecuting team, I want to remind you all that doing such a thing can have negative legal ramifications, because that would be basically, tampering evidence and how evidence and legal proceedings are communicated to the public. So he's just reminding them, but he's saying, however, given what they know for a fact, given what the court knows for a fact, they're saying that the court did not receive, or the government did not receive, that viral beatdown video of him putting hands and feet on Cassie Ventura until after the CNN leakage. So they're saying that CNN is saying that they got it from a private source. The government has no idea who or what that private source is. Now, the only way CNN would release that information is unless they're subpoenaed by the court. So other than that, they're not going to release that information. Now, as such, Judge Arun Subramanian again has denied Diddy's request for the evidentiary hearing relating to this leak tape. And, I believe that Diddy was expecting this outcome, because, how could he not be expecting this outcome if he has been paying attention to what has happened to his case? But I'm going to say this. I'm going to be honest. I actually believe the government did this. I believe that they know that they had one really, really good card, and they were about to proceed with something, and they were about to, hold on to this man without bail, because as Sloan told us, his takedown is being orchestrated. I do believe that, as many attorneys have argued, Sean Diddy Combs is eligible for bail, but I believe that they released that tape so as to weigh on the public's emotion, so that they're saying, every time we deny this man bail, I want you all to remember this tape and just know that this is the reason why we haven't granted him bail, when in reality, that's not the case. As Sloan told us, they will never grant him bail, and the reason for that is they cannot have him outside talking about everyone else that's involved in the trafficking ring that he's a part of. He's just the small fish in all of this. There are 3 bigger fishes at the top, and that's all I have to share in this video with you guys for now. We have lots more to talk about. So it is your time to chime in. What are your thoughts? While you're at it, thumbs up, subscribe, stay safe, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.